my gosh, it is way too early to be awake. The sun's not up, so therefore I should not be up. Okay, you already know how to give the outfit a little appreciation for the Black Friday outfit here. So starting off with this super comfortable and cute C'est La Vie crop top that PLUMAJILLO sent me. Code Allanna 10 to save on top of their Black Friday deals they've got going on already, so a little plug there. These plaid leggings right here because comfort is amazing and we're trying to go for that but still be cute. A little blazer moment here. Use my rubber band hack to keep the sleeves up. You already know if you've seen that video. And then the sparkly boots moment that I wear these way too much, but it's okay. It's raining, so boots it is, which is why the hair is also up today, because we're just gonna fully embrace the frizzy hair from the humidity. And yep, the umbrella, great. Is also an accessory for the outfit today. Just gonna throw that back in there, but okay, that's enough. You already know what time it is. You know what I need. Hi, can I get a large iced oat milk latte? Okay. And then can I get the gingerbread flavor in it? Of course. Awesome. Anything else? That'll be it. $5.94. Okay, thank you. Okay, let me take this down because I don't want them to see me filming. Hello guys, it's Allanna here. That had a whole lot of energy in it considering how early in the morning it is. It's about to be 7 a.m. I am out on this adventure of Black Friday shopping because I love Black Friday shopping, but I've never vlogged it before, so here we are. I woke up at 5 a.m. to be here, went through the Dunkin' drive-thru because, you know, it was a necessity for this morning. In case you're wondering, this drink is like the best thing ever. You have to try it. It's an iced espresso latte with oat milk and gingerbread. Oh my gosh, it's beautiful. Tastes amazing. But yeah, I'm gonna go tackle these stores. I'm sitting in the parking lot right now and surprisingly there's like hardly any cars here, which is a good sign. I'm excited about that, but I'm so excited to shop. I don't know how I'm going to shop. Okay, my main thing I'm shopping for is clothes. I don't know how I'm gonna shop and hold anything and vlog at the same time. This is my first time trying this, but we're gonna do it. We're gonna make it happen. And I really hope it doesn't start raining again because it was raining earlier and that would not be fun. I really wanna take you with me, but like, I can't, because that's another thing I have to hold, so. Okay. Or at least it's not hot outside, so it'll probably still be cold by the time I come back. Let's go. Okay, I am so surprised there's like no one here. It is like pretty empty. I'm really shocked. I was expecting there to be more people here, but they've got like, at least Forever 21 has like 30% off the entire store, so that's a thing. I feel like this is so weird. I'm speaking, but you can't even tell that I am, so, because of my mask. So that's great. Guys, these shoes are so beautiful. And like, okay, those belts, ooh, I love this belt. Okay, so I finished at Forever 21. I'm really tempted to go put my bag in the car, but I think I'm just gonna carry it, and I'm gonna check out, what's it called? H&M. We're gonna go see what their sale is like. Let's see. And while I'm outside, I'm gonna take a breather. I don't know. I wish Urban Outfitters had better sales. I just remembered there's Zara. Okay, I think we're gonna go look in Zara. We're gonna see what their sale is like. Okay, never mind. I changed my mind. I'm putting my bag in my car. Okay. Oh my gosh, that's way heavier than I thought. I was gonna try to be like, okay, first store done, but that bag ended up being heavier than I thought, and my arm, that angle, it didn't work out the way I planned. First store is done. I came to put my bag in my car and a little like coffee break, so refueling, getting some like cool air, and time to hit the next stores. Than I thought to vlog in the stores because they all have music, and so hopefully no copyright, but you know, that's great. So found something at Zara, but now we're here in H&M. But now I see why people like TikTok. There's no copyright whatsoever with TikTok. Okay, I'm here for all this sparkliness. Yes, love it. It is so humid and rainy, but at the same time, I think this is bad that my first thought process was, yay, it's gonna rain. My car is so dirty. At least my car will look kind of clean if it rains, but it's still cold. Okay. Oh, but I really need a napkin. It's like, you know, the sweat on the bottle, it just kind of got everywhere. Okay, but okay, yeah, I came back because honestly, I think I'm done shopping. The bank account hurts, but you know, it's sales, and it comes one time a year, so we can just consider them business investments, right? We can totally say that. But so I did go into 3 different stores. And so I went into Forever 21. I don't know why I put my thumb up first as like 1. I never do that. I don't know if that's something that's just me. So when people count, I think it's interesting when people either start off with their thumb as number 1 or their pointer finger as number 1. I never use my thumb as number 1, so I don't know why I did that. Oh, I still have my mask on. That was really weird. I guess maybe because I was already sitting like this, but okay. Got sidetracked. So the first store was Forever 21, then the second one was Zara, then H&M. So I didn't realize afterwards how hard it was going to be to actually kind of like vlog in the stores, because every store had music playing, which isn't great, and I was so sad that there wasn't like crowds of people, but it makes sense obviously with, you know, the pandemic and all of that. But I've always had that excitement of going Black Friday shopping and fighting the crowds, and I used to go Black Friday shopping with my mom too, and we would just, you know, it's been a tradition, go get coffee beforehand. Like, I don't know if that's just a me thing, but I feel like it's just a tradition. You go get coffee before. Awkward, I just kind of made eye contact with someone getting out of the car. Why does this always happen to me? Okay, people, just go do your shopping. You'll be happy. Go find sales and act like they're giving away stuff for free. So yeah, that's always just been a tradition, so I'm continuing that. And so I'm not going to show you guys what I got yet. There's kind of been like sneak peeks, but I'm gonna have a separate video of what I got for Black Friday shopping and try all this stuff on, because yeah, I obviously could not try on anything. Okay, I just heard my phone go off, but I don't know where it is. It's somewhere in here. I'll find it later. But the thing that's interesting is actually, this was my first like purchase ever from Zara. I've never actually bought anything from there. And I think it's weird because a lot of times I follow a lot of like fashion accounts and I love the like clean, like simple fashion. And a lot of times I see people wearing stuff from Zara that I really, really like, but then I've gone in there and I don't ever see those kinds of things. And I don't know if it's just because the one here doesn't carry the similar type of stuff, but luckily this time I found some bottoms. That's all I'm gonna say. I really wanted to get more different pairs of bottoms, so that's really exciting. I found some and they are so cute. Oh my god, I am so excited. Oh, there's another guy walking in front of my car. Please don't look, please don't look, please don't look. Just gonna pretend like I'm looking for my phone or something, you know. Okay, we're good. Okay, and I don't know why, like, so it was a bit easier to kind of vlog out in public because there wasn't too many people, you know, there wasn't like crowds of people around me. So there's like a good and a bad, I guess, to the amount of people that was there. But I am so excited to finally go home and try all this on. I'm so happy with all of the things that I found. I got all kinds of different like goodies here. I'm gonna go home, try them on, and that's gonna be a separate video. But definitely, oh, there was also, actually, probably, found my phone. It was in my bag. So, I'm going to, there's actually one top that was at H&M that they didn't have my size in store, but I looked it up online, and they have that online. I forgot I have my other stuff that I ordered online too, and some of it came in. Okay, I'm so excited. But that's going to be it for this Black Friday vlog. I want to know if y'all actually went in-store shopping for Black Friday or if y'all are doing some online shopping. I did kind of both this year, but you know, I wanted to keep up that tradition of just going Black Friday shopping. I wanted to keep that up, and it's also another excuse for me to go get Dunkin' coffee. As always, not surprising, but stay tuned for the try on and the haul of this when I actually show what I get, because oh, I'm so sorry, clothes, I have an issue with clothes shopping, but it's okay. If you're watching this, you probably do too, because that's what my channel is. So but that's gonna be it for this video. Please give it a thumbs up for me coming out here on Black Friday and making myself feel awkward and vlogging in public and just, you know, people looking at me, but it's okay, it's fun. And turn on my post notifications so you get notified for my new videos, and you're going to definitely want to see my next video where I show you guys all of these outfits. Follow me on Instagram at Allanna_Cuellar. I did actually just get a TikTok too. I'm hoping to upload more videos to that, which that's also Allanna Cuellar. So that's pretty much about it. But I love you guys so much. I will see you next time. Bye bye.